Namaste everyone. Median. We have completed ungrouped data and also we have done one of the problem. Now discrete, another problem that is under grouped frequency distribution. See, in the grouped frequency distribution, x and f is given. Observe this data, x, that is the data is given in a discrete frequency distribution. Solution, data which is given in the discrete frequency distribution, and also given that find the median for the following frequency distribution. Find median. What is the first step? We have read when I am explaining in the ungrouped we have completed. Then in the grouped data procedure, what is the first step? First step is we have to find out LCF. First find LCF. See, the LCF, this is the 8, 13, 25, 15 and 9 is given. These are the values are given. 8. See, first one is the 8, write as it is. Next 8 plus 13, 8 plus 13, 21. Then 21 plus 25, that is 46. 46 plus 15, that is 61. 61 plus 9, 70. Therefore, what is the n value here? N is 70 we got. See, this is the finding LCF. Finding LCF like this way we have to find out, that is the first step in the median, finding the LCF. Next step is median, finding median, that is in the discrete frequency distribution. What is the formula? That is n plus 1 divided by 2. This much of observation in an array, You can write this one or this is enough. N plus 1 divided by 2, this much of observation. N equal to how much we got? 70. 70 plus 1 divided by 2th observation, this much of observation. 70 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 71 divided by 2. Our answer 35.5. See, this much of observation. This much of observation. Afterwards, see next 35.5. See, third step, they are given that value of x, that is corresponding to just n plus 1, that is greater than or equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. That means we have just LCF, we have to see the LCF, that is greater than or equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Here 35.5th observation. See here 8, 21 and here 46. 35.5 observations. Here they stopped till 21 only. 22nd observation where it is? That is in the next class. 13. Next class, that is 46. 21 here till 21, here till 8. Where is the 9th value? That comes here. Okay. Where is here till up to 21 and 22nd value comes here till up to 46 value, that is here only, that is 35.5. You have to see in the LCF. 35.5 you have to see in the LCF. 35.5 is here. Now in front of that our answer is 13 answer 13. Or sometime you have to do like this way, because say for example if our observation we got here 35 and here 36. Now which one we have to choose? Whether 35 here till up to 35 and here till up to 36, whether we have to choose this one or this one. If the values LCF is like this way, if we got like this way, this is the 35th observation and this one is the 36th observations, what we have to do? That time we have to do in the previous class in the ungrouped data I have given like this way, that is 35.5 means 35th observation 35th observation plus 0.5 into 36th observation minus 36th observation minus 35th observation. This much of observation. 35th observation plus 0.5 into 36th. See, that time it will be clear which one we have to write. 35th observation means that is 12 plus 0.5, that is as it is. 36 means this one 13 minus 35th observation means this one, that is 12. Okay, like this way we have to do, but here we got 12.5. I am taken one example. If the values are given like this, means what you have to do? You have to use this procedure. Actually here also we have to do, no need to take lengthy, we will got answer 13. If you are using this procedure also, you are getting answer 13 only. Therefore keep as it is, because here 35.5, 35.5 fifth observation means here only, that means 36th observation also same 13 only, that becomes 0 now. Here 13 minus 13 becomes 0, your answer getting 13 only. Therefore no need of doing like this way. If there is a confusion, means you have to take like that way. Okay. Okay. Here we have completed this one, this problem. If the discrete problem is given, then n plus 1 divided by 2 the observation, that much only. Here 35th observation, do not take this one as a final answer. You have to see observation where it is in x. In x it comes 13. You should write here x value. You should write x value, that is 13 answer, because you were finding the answer in the x observation only. Therefore write down the answer 13. Do not keep as it is. 35.5 is the final answer. You should find out the observation, that is 13. Okay. Next problem. I will do same type of problem. Same type of problem. Calculate median from the following frequency distribution. Here weight is given, which is given in the kgs, and another one number of student. Number of student is given. Here 40.4, 42.4, 44.4, 46.4, 48.4 and 50.4. 1, 3, 7, 8, 4 and here 2. Okay. So, like this way they are given the question. What you have to do? Your first step, that is finding LCF. First step. Now solution, you should write, this is also discrete frequency distribution. Data is given in the solution is data given in a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. Here LCF less than cumulative frequency, that is LCF 1, 4, 11, 19, 23, now 25. What is the n value? N is equal to 25. N is equal to, we got 25. Next we have to find out m is equal to n plus 1. That one you should find out. Here to find the median, m is equal to same n plus 1 divided by the observation. M equal to, n means here 25, 25 plus 1 divided by 2, this much of observation. Therefore, m is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13th observation. 13th observation. Now find out where is the 13th observation or size of the 13th item. 13th observation or size of 13th observation. Size of 13th observation, that is 13. See, till up to here we have to see in the LCF, here 4, next is the 11, here 11, here starts from 12, 12 to up to 19 value is here. Our answer is 13 when we are use this formula. Therefore, 13th observation which is in the 19. So, answer in the x, this is the x and this one is the frequency, that is 46.4, 46.4. What is this 46.4? 46.4 is the kgs. This is the 46.4 kgs, or we can write that median weight is median. Median weight is 46.4 kgs. Okay, 46.4 kgs. This is the answer. Next, we will go for a continuous frequency distribution. Find median for the following frequency distribution. Now, length of rod, given that length of rods which is given in centimeters, okay. Afterwards number of rods is given. This is the continuous frequency distribution. In that also, see this one exclusive type of class intervals are given. So, this is the value is given here, number of rod and this one. Here also, first you have to write what is this one? This is the continuous frequency distribution in that exclusive type of class interval. Okay, this is exclusive type of class interval. Exclusive type of a class interval. The data is given in the exclusive type of class interval. First you have to find out LCF. Here also 1 plus 3, 4. Here 11, 23, 28, answer 30. N equal to how much we got? N is equal to 30 we got. N equal to 30. Now, here first you should find out n divided by 2, n divided by 2, here n is 30, 30 divided by 2, that value is 15th observation. We got how much? 15th observation. First you have to find out median class, that equal to class corresponding to 15th observation, class corresponding to 15th observation, that also you have to see in the LCF, or you can write like this way, the value which is more, the value which is more than 15 in the cumulative frequency cumulative frequency column, that is 23. Okay. Here this is till up to 11 we have value here 12, 13 up to 23, therefore 15 which is coming under this column, and that means this one, okay, 23. Therefore, which one? See, this one is the median class, median class, that is 40 to 50, okay, 40 to 50. There you have to write a class corresponding to, okay, class corresponding to, or class interval, that is 40 to 50. Now, we got 40 to 50 class corresponding to value, that is median class, corresponding to, that is 40 to 50, or you can write like this way also, median class in the class interval, median class in class interval, that is 40 to 50. Afterwards, see in the formula what are the values we have to take, that one note here, frequency we need. See this, do not see other values, you have to see only this row 40 to 50, only median class. Here this is the frequency, this is the F, this is the class interval, and this is the LCF frequency, that is the 12 we got. Afterwards we need CF. What is CF? CF means cumulative frequency preceding the median class, cumulative frequency. See, this is the cumulative frequency and this one is the median class preceding value, that is 11. Okay. Afterwards, C we need width of the median class we need. Here width, which one? What is the width? Okay, class interval 40 to 50. Class interval is 40 to 50. CF, see that is equal to 11. That equal to 11, and here width is see this one 40 to 50. Here 40 to 50, difference 10. Write down 10 here. Okay. Afterwards, we need which one? That is L. L means 40. L equal to 40. See, only this much. For the calculation, we need only that much value. Then find out median equal to median M equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. This is our formula. Now L I am written that 40 in the median class, N by 2 we have already calculated, that is 15 minus CF. What is the value CF? That is 11 divided by frequency, that is 12 into C. C is equal to how much? We have written that 10. Now calculate this one, 40 plus our answer 40 plus 4 divided by 12, or you can write 40. Okay, I will write directly, that is 3.3 we got. Okay, 40 divided by 12, that is 3.3. Here answer that is 43.33. Answer 43.33. What is this one? Median length of rod. Median length of rods. Median length of rods, that is 43.33 centimeters. This much, 43.33 centimeters. See here, you should note that median. So, what is the answer you got? 43.33. See, that answer we got in the median class only. What is our median class? Median class we got that 40 to 30. We got this one 40 to 30. In the 40 to 30 only we are getting the median 43.33. If you got 40 to 50, okay, sorry, 40 to 50. See, if we got 55 answer or 39 answer or 25 answer, that means calculation, what you have done, that calculation, that is wrong. You should get clearly this answer, that is from the median class only. This is the median class interval, from that only you are getting the which one, median answer. Okay, you should note this one. Next, we will do next problem. Calculate median for the following frequency distribution. Same type, but here I will take instead of inclusive class interval, exclusive type. Marks score, then a number of students, marks scored, that is 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Okay, this much value is given, 3, 8, 12 and 7. See, these are the values given in the question. You have to find out the median. This is also continuous frequency distribution. Here class intervals, class interval is in inclusive type. What we should do? We should convert into exclusive type. How to convert into exclusive type? That is 0.5, we should take difference, or we should minus 0.5 for the lower limit. For the upper limit we have to add plus 0.5. See, that time 10 minus 0.5, we will get 9.5. Then 19 plus 0.5, that is 19.5. Here 19.5 and here 29.5, here 29.5, like that only. Here minus 40 minus 0.5, that is 39.5, here 49 plus 0.5, 49.5, like this way. Okay, like this way you should write. Now I am converted into exclusive type, then a number of student is given, that is frequency. First step we have to write LCF. LCF here 3 plus 8, 11 plus 12, that is 23 plus 7, 40. N is equal to how much? Sorry, 30. N equal to, we got 30 answer. N equal to 30 answer. What is the next step? Next step is n by 2. You should find out that one. Here n divided by 2, that is 30 divided by 2. This much of observation, you have to write that one. Here also this much of observation, that equal to 30 by 2 is 15th value or 15th observation. 15th observation where we should see in the LCF. 15th observation we should see in the LCF. See, this one is not, you have to take a next one. See this one. Okay. Median class, you can write like this way also, or what I am written the statement in the previous, you can write that one also. Here median class, that equal to class corresponding to which observation? 15th observation. 15th observation, that equal to class interval. Class interval is in the median class. Class interval is 29.5 to 39.5. See this one. 29.5 to 39.5. Then write down frequency. Frequency means in the median class we should find out the frequency. This one is the f value, okay, that is 12. Then CF, cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So, this is the cumulative frequency and preceding value median class, that is 11, and L is equal to lower limit, that is 29.5 lower limit, see this one lower limit, and C is the width, you have to see this one, that is 10. Now, put the formula and calculate it. Okay. Now, median that equal to m, or m equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by f into C. Okay. Take whole L, you should calculate afterwards. Here L 29.5, n by 2, how much we got? That is 15 minus CF is 11 divided by frequency which we got 12 and C is 10. So, after calculation we get answer 3.3 here also plus 3.3, that is 32.83. What is this 32.83? Therefore, median marks or m equal to 32.83. See this one, marks, this much of marks. So, observe here 32.83 which is we got inside the 29.5 up to 39.5, there only we got that answer. See, this is the median answer. Okay. Thank you.